guys, Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys top rock variations for Indian steps. This level is kind of advanced, so I will try my best to slowly break it down and tell you step by step on how you should do it. So without further ado, let's get started. Now this variation consists of 3 steps, but the first thing that you have to do is the normal Indian step. Kick and kick. Alright, after you're in these positions, we're gonna start doing the first step. The first step is you're gonna swing your left leg to the left side. Okay, one more time. Swing. Now you can see that when I'm swinging my left leg to the front, my upper body is tilting or moving to the right. That is what should be happening, because that allows you to let your left leg go into the front. Alright, remember that. If you swing your left leg to the front, that means your upper body is going to tilt or put your body weight to the right side. In a step, step 1. Step 2 is very simple. Just bring your left leg up. Alright. Now for step 3, we're going to put it down. The first thing that I want to let you guys know is that while doing that, or at least first time you try, you're going to feel that you are off balance. Here's the thing, I'm going to tell you about the balance, how to balance up this move. Alright, I'm going to swing my left leg. Again, by doing so, my body is going to the right. Alright, just remember that if you are using your straight leg or your right leg is in front of you, it is a straight leg. That means your weight should always be on the right. And up. For the second step, up, you can see that my body still on the right side here. When you do the second step, bring your left leg up. Make sure you didn't bring it to the right side also, because again, you're gonna off balance. We want to balance out this move. That means that your left leg should go into the right, like this. Kick, kick. Alright, you can see weight still on the right. For the third step, same thing. Put it down. Okay, now you already master one side, but for this move you have to master both sides. Alright, it works well for both sides. So now let's do it with my left leg in front of me, or the vice versa of what I'm doing just now. So now I'm gonna do both sides. Kick, kick. Alright, this is the third step for one side. Now you're gonna transition to the other side, which means you're gonna move your body weight to the left side. Because if you watch closely, now my left leg is in the straight leg and my left leg is in front of me. What I said earlier again, you want to keep the balance. So move your body weight to the left side, and at the same time you're gonna bring your right leg up and kick to step 1. Alright, again do the same thing. Because you use your left leg, then you're gonna bring up your right leg and put it more to the right side. Okay, and the step. Now you already mastered both sides, and there might be a question that you want to ask me. Hey Teddy, I already mastered both sides. Is there any variations that I can do with this move? Now I'm going to show you 2 variations that you can do with this move. Alright, the first one we're going to play with our hands. Remember, our hands are not doing anything. So in order to put it more style into it, you want to do something with your hands. I'm going to start from the one side first. I'm going to tell you where the hand placement should be. At least that's how I do it. Okay? Kick, 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 step. Kick, kick, step. Kick, kick, step. If your left leg is the leg that you are moving, you're gonna do the whole thing. That means you put your left hand on top of your head, and vice versa. When you switch, your right hand is on your head. Second transition that you can do with this move is by walking to the front while doing the top rock. I know it sounds weird, but I'm gonna show you. You can do this move, and slowly you can go straight to your opponent, or when you're battling, you can do that to smoke them or whatever it is. there you go guys, I just showed you guys 2 variations that you can do with these variations. I know it sounds weird because we're just creating variations from variations. That was great about b-boying guys, there are endless things that you can do with this whole thing. So there you go, have fun, play with this move. But again, as a coach here, I just want to let you guys know that try to master the basic, alright? Master the both side things that I show you guys just now. After you get comfortable, after you are mastered the whole thing, then go ahead and creating your own variations. So that's about it. Subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. So that's about it. I will see you guys next time.